I gotta wait for Joey.
Someone's gonna steal it if you leave it there. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. As y'all see, we got all the bikes out today. And yeah, this one was a video. You guys will see in this video. What the hell? You see what I'm saying at the gas station, bro? My bike literally just fell and it squished my thing. Someone's arm, bro. Dude, I can't believe I dropped my bike, bro. I'll look at that in a sec. I'll check on homie. Oh no, that's a two-stroke, homie.
You just gotta go, like.
Oh, seen it.
Get you in the whip and take you.
Like, get you.
We gotta grab the bike with one of the trucks.
Oh my, bro.
But talk to dude, y'all can put his bike on one of y'all four-wheelers and down the street.
Maybe you could drive him.
Nah.
Arm. You trying to help him give a ride?
I'll take him to the...
Come here. Hey, I appreciate you, for real.
No pressure, dog. What y'all gonna do with this bike, though?
Oh, we gonna try to push it.
We'll figure out the bike.
Hey, you got your phone, right?
Yeah. Alright. Heal up. Oh my. Dude, that...
We literally want to go past the curve, bro.
You seen it happen?
Hit the tree. That what it was? Oh, boy, he blessed. Boy, he could have...
Damn. Well, he's on the two-stroke, right?
His wheels went against the curb and he went to the side. Yeah, he went to the side. Just happened the tree was right there.
Ugh. That got my nerves going, bro. Like every time you're on like a ride, like you sort of never know what's gonna happen. And shout out that random guy for just pulling up and picking up homie and taking him to
How we gonna put it on the back of the four-wheeler? Come on.
Back of the four-wheeler.
That's what I'm saying.
Someone's gonna steal it.
I gotta wait for Joey.
Someone's gonna steal it if you leave it there.
Yeah, I know, but if the cops pull up, I'd rather be there.
No, yeah.
Hey, y'all should hide that bike better.
Put it on the quad. On the back of quad. So literally we have his bike stashed off like in the freaking forest right now, bro. The good old 125 two-stroke, bro. I think it's 125, or was it 250? No, it's 125. But yeah, hopefully no one takes this. I think someone's gonna come pick it up soon. But I ain't. No, I think someone's coming with a truck to pick it up. Oh, they're putting it on the back? Damn, the bike didn't get messed up at all. Did you see it happen or no? Yeah? Did he jump his bike like into that tree or?
Whenever he hit the curve, he threw off the bike.
Let's wish the best for homie. It's definitely a scary situation. Hey, you good? Yeah, let's go. That was another homie who went, but he went down. That don't look too good. It's always something that, you know, you never know when you're like, some people are like beginners, some are experts. Oh, that started though. Yeah, he's gone. Oh, it was a wrist. Hey, appreciate you freaking doing that though, for real. That was the guy who brought the person who hospital, and shout out him for coming in clutch, bro, supporting the homie, bringing him to the hospital real quick.
I really hope he has insurance.
Bro, that shit, if not,
you already know.
that shit gonna be expensive. You say what?
That's really why he wrote.
The banana peel. You gotta watch out for the banana peels. coming into the wheel ski lot. If you're from Miami, you know this spot. It's like a legendary. It's where everyone meets up on the weekends. Oh yeah, we pulling in. That two-stroke vibing, bro. What's good, y'all? The gang's all out, bro. We got the YZ 250 right here, bro. At first I thought this was a 125, but it turns out it's a 250. So he's rocking the big old 250 out here, yes sir. Shit's sick.
Jumpy, man.
Right, it's sick. I like it. We got the boy Tristan out here. Y'all know the vibe. What mode do you run your bike in? Just stock?
Yeah,
stock. I did it like, you know on the app they have like the low power mode?
To be honest, I don't even have to.
Yo, you never did it?
Yeah, no, I don't even have to chip the computer in it.
Oh, the box?
Yeah, they didn't give it to me.
Damn, they took that shit out and sold it probably.
But to be honest, I'm trying to get it from the dude that sold it to me. But I guess he was still paying it all. They took it off.
Damn. So this button, does it work or no?
Nah, it does.
So this is the homie who lost his toe at the lot. You guys seen it in like way back. Way back. That was last year, right? Yeah, way back. And yeah, he shut down the lot, so thank you. I'm playing. First little gas station run. I gotta go inside the store, which I'm scared about, bro. Water right here, I think. Yeah, right here.
Proceed to the road.
Y'all are going back to the lot, right?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Is there a lot of people out there right now, or?
Probably like another 15 people.
50? Alright, bet. Good enough for me. Yeah. Little kid. We got the boys coming in. We're just chilling though, you know. Late nights. Alright. Hello. Have a good night. Alrighty gang, stay motivated. I freaking love you. We have merch in the description down below. Today was flipping epic. So much down. Stay motivated. I love you gang. Peace.